Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow installing apps from any source in your Mac. So what you have to do, first I'm going to show you that I have downloaded installed an app here and I want to install it in my Mac. So when I double click on it, I have to just slide it to applications, and here just click on replace. Okay, now when I open my applications, here I will see this app. Now when I double click to open it, here you will see client cannot be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software. Okay, so how to download or install this app? So I'm going to show you. What you have to do, just go to setting. Okay, now here click on OK, and when you go to setting, here you will see privacy and security option. Click on it and scroll down, and when you scroll down, here you will see client was blocked from use because it's not from identified developers. Now just click on open and open anyway, and now you have to enter your passcode and just click on open. Okay, now here again you have to enter your password here and click on install happen. Okay, so like this you can install mm, any app from any source in MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.